Today, we're diving into iLoveIMG, a popular online platform designed to help users effortlessly edit and convert image files. If you frequently work with images, you've probably encountered situations where resizing, compressing, or converting files is a real hassle. iLoveIMG aims to simplify that process by offering a wide range of tools such as image compression, conversion to various formats, resizing, and even watermarking. The interface is straightforward, making it accessible to both beginners and more advanced users. Once you arrive at the homepage, you're immediately greeted with all the tools laid out in a clean and well-organized manner. Whether you need to compress a large image to reduce file size or convert a PNG to JPG, the process is smooth and quick. You simply upload your file, choose your desired operation, and click a button. Within seconds, your file is ready for download. However, the platform does have its limitations. While most tools are free to use, there are some restrictions on file size and the number of operations you can perform without upgrading to the premium version. Additionally, users seeking advanced editing options, like batch processing for large files, might feel slightly disappointed with the free version's limitations. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about performance. iLoveIMG delivers on its promise of fast conversions, but occasionally the processing time can vary depending on the file size and server load. Still, the results are typically high quality, and it's hard to complain considering most of the features are free. One feature worth noting is their watermark tool, which allows you to add watermarks to your images quickly. It's simple to use, though the customization options are fairly basic. The platform could benefit from more detailed editing tools to make it more versatile. The site is optimized for both desktop and mobile use, but the mobile experience does feel a bit cramped, particularly when trying to edit larger images. For best results, I recommend using it on a computer. Overall, iLoveIMG is a solid choice for casual users looking for a reliable way to convert, compress, or edit image files. However, for those needing more advanced capabilities, especially when dealing with bulk files, you might find yourself hitting limitations pretty quickly unless you go for the premium version. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews of online tools.